Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, folks. Velo, the visionary global project. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. Anyways, folks, let's see what's happening with Velo in real time. Look at this. This is Velo official. Velo's platform brings loyalty points to life with two standout features, liquidity and flexibility. By moving beyond outdated systems where points are locked and underutilized, Velo introduces a dynamic model that benefits both users and merchants. Liquidity equals tokenized points are tradable on Web3 markets, no more idle rewards. Number two, flexibility. Points are usable across brands, expanding reach for users and merchants. Folks, the Web3, the integration between Web3, Web2, the physical realm, it is a hot topic. It's going to be increasing even more in the future as well. And this is where project like Velo comes into play, which is becoming a bridge between Web3, Web2, the physical world, and the suite of Velo tools are known as Web3 plus. So these are the points that can be utilized as well in the physical world, in the real world. Loyalty unlocked. By upgrading loyalty into a multi-brand tradable asset, Velo is redefining real-world utility in the Web3 era. Awesome. Folks, look at this. Velo Labs collaborates with Paxos International to integrate Lift Dollar USDL as treasury reserve and settlement issue, a settlement asset. Look at this, an issuer of settlement as and for different services as well. Look at this, May 19th, 2025, press release. Let's check this out. Velo Labs collaborates with Paxos International to integrate Lift Dollar as treasury reserve and settlement asset. Folks, let's first see this report over here, this short term, and then we can go on and check this article out as well. Just a moment. So yeah. Velo Labs, Paxos International. We are excited to announce a new strategic collaboration with Paxos International to integrate Lift Dollar. So what are the highlights, folks? Let's check this out. USDL is the first yield-bearing stablecoin under regulatory oversight, backed 1:1 by short-term US Treasuries and cash equivalents. Issued under FSRA regulation in Abu Dhabi, USDL delivers daily yield directly to holders. USDL will be used as reserve collateral and settlement asset within our USDV stablecoin framework. This move enhances the stability, resilience, and real-world value behind USDV. It supports our broader strategy to lead in PayFi and become a key RWA aggregator. So, from the looks of it, folks, we can dissect a lot of things from this post over here, folks. First and foremost, the regulations are here, and Abu Dhabi, the Middle East, they are becoming a digital asset hub. This is for certain, and this is yet another glimpse into the future as to how Middle East is shaping itself to be that hub of crypto and digital assets. And we're talking about the progression of stable coins as well. Look at this. USDL will be used as reserve collateral and settlement asset within our USDV stablecoin framework. So obviously this move enhances stability, resilience, real world value. And talking about the RWA aggregator, real world assets are indeed becoming a part and parcel of the future. So this collaboration, what it does is it brings everyone closer to making institutional grade financial tools available to everyone in the Web3 space. Awesome, folks. Look at this. We are thrilled to integrate Lift Dollar into Velo Labs ecosystem, said Thrid Bodhi, Arunando Chai, Vice Chairman of Velo Protocol. But this is another quotation over here. By leveraging USDL's unique yield-bearing capabilities, we are not only enhancing the collateral base of USDV, but also providing our ecosystem members, especially businesses, with a powerful tool to optimize their liquidity and financial strategies. Furthermore, Velo Labs will serve as Paxos International's beachhead for scaling USDL across Southeast Asia. Awesome. Furthermore, Lift Dollar is a transformative product designed to distribute the safe yield generated from its reserves to the token holder and distribution partner, said Ronak Daya, Paxos head of product. Another quotation over here, look at this. Our targeted partnership, just a moment, yeah. Our targeted partnership with Velo Labs ensures millions of users throughout Southeast Asia to have safe and secure access to not only US dollars but also the corresponding yield. The integration of USDL into the Velo ecosystem further strengthens Velo Labs' mission to deliver institutional-grade financial products to the Web3 space. Folks, Velo always stresses on Web3 and how it can integrate and bridge between Web2 and Web3, like I told you guys, and provide services to institutions and enterprises as well, providing them institutional grade financial products, which ultimately democratizes access to global financial opportunities for a wide range of users, be it institutions, organizations, or individuals worldwide. Awesome. Look at this. Velo protocol powering PayFi in emerging markets. Pat, COO of Velo protocol, will be featured in the daily crypto town hall space. You can check this out, folks, scheduled for May 22. So you have to stay tuned as Velo talks about Web3 plus infrastructure and PayFi vision for emerging markets. So do check this out, folks. This seems interesting. Now let's see what else is happening with Velo. Malax over here says it is inevitable. Cointelegraph. Thailand plans to launch a $150 million digital investment token known as G tokens in the next 2 months. Talking about Thailand, it is the foundational area of where Velo is trying to expand from. It is going to be global, obviously, in the future, but for the moment, just let me pause this. For the moment, it is trying its best to create a framework in Thailand from which it can transcend other borders as well. This is Chart Nerd. Let's check out some technicals as well, because the price has been falling, and there has been a FUD and skepticism in the market as well. It always happens, folks. Whenever the price falls of a project, this tends to happen. Chart Nerd support targets were given almost a week ago on YouTube. Stay tuned for today's release on the progress of building this higher low structure. Let's check this out. This is May 21st.
Gets back on. So going from this local 0.015 high, retracing back to the 0.008 lows. Again, these are the key Fibonacci levels to get on your charts, guys, to look for some sort of relief. So you're sitting between 0.012 and I think about 1 cent roughly. Around this area would be a nice place to get that higher low structure. And what we could be coming in for here is an irregular ABC correction where we're failing to break out of this pattern. And again, this, if we do come back, it may not come back as low as the 0618, guys. Okay, you've got the 050 here, which is the A wave low, which is also a potential to find this base structure, which is why I'm saying get these 3 levels on your charts. Okay, but if it does manage to come back for some sort of ABC correction, this would be the higher low structure it needs. Okay, so you've got the low, then you've got these highs, and now come back for a higher low, and then look for the breakout, okay, and push into higher targets. And what we could have is essentially you've got higher low structure on the charts here, where you've got a low, you've got these highs. If we can come back and build a higher low and then push on to higher highs, we're literally sort of breaking out here, got the low structure, and we're looking to climb up the stairs, because this is what you essentially want to do. You don't just want to vertically break out. It would have been nice to see this inverse head and shoulders breakout play out now, but because we're beneath that trend line, because we're running into those weekly indicators, it does look like we could be coming back in for a bit more of a deeper correction before going for the breakout.
Folks, technicals as well as fundamentals, they are both important for a project to prosper. At the moment, the price of Velo is, I know, it is a bit frustrating. Look at this, the big bulla. All right, tell me the truth. Who capitulated on Velo? Look at this. Some volatile price action over here that we can see and witness ourselves. So, yeah. Binance continues to aggressively stack Velo. Binance Velo wallet balance, as you can see, check this out, Binance teller address. A Binance listing is inevitable for Velo protocol. By the way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 592 million Velo tokens. Okay, so that is obviously aggressive. Here's some hopium from Mo over here. Look at this. The first wave, these are the Elliott waves. 1, 2, 3. 3 should be a bit up, in my opinion. 3, I always like when the 3 is up. Anyways, 4, 5, and then we've got A, B. Where is C? Okay, C is going up. Oftentimes A, B, C, and then the first wave, second wave, third wave. Different approaches to technicals, folks. Everyone has got their own take, that's for sure. Look at this, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2. This is the third one. Third seemed most of the time is the longest, and then the fourth, and then fifth. Obviously, we can see the structure as according to our own perspectives, but at the moment, I know the market is the Velo is at least volatile. I do not know about the rest of the crowd, but Velo seems a bit volatile. Anyways, I'm going to be sharing with you just a moment. Yeah, let me pause this. We look at both sides of the spectrum, both sides of this coin. So these are the FUD and skepticism that is taking place in the world of Velo at the moment. Look at this. All you stupid moon boys, stay away from exaggerated posts and misleading posts. Don't follow these stupid moon boys. The team pays them for interaction. So whenever the price falls, people tend to come up with FUD and skepticism. But the fundamentals of Velo seems top-notch still, folks. The fundamentals seems really good, the partnerships and what it wants to do in the world of finance. Look at this. Velo Uquid, expanding real-world crypto utility in Web3 commerce. Velo protocol is now live as DApp 218, number 218 on Uquid's Web3 DApp store. Here is another major milestone, and this time it brings Velo's blockchain-powered PayFi network into one of the world's most advanced Web3 shopping platforms, marking the beginning of a collaboration between Velo and Uquid Card. This collab is about new possibilities in decentralized commerce and Web3 finance. Oftentimes, we're seeing Velo collaborating with key players, folks. So what does Uquid do? Basically, since 2016, Uquid has been redefining digital commerce, offering an all-in-one Web3 shopping experience. E-commerce, it can get really, can transform with the addition of blockchain, with the addition of AI, with the addition of DLT solutions, that's for sure. So, Web3 shopping experience built on decentralized finance, token-based payments, and direct wallet connectivity. This can further make the shopping process much more seamless in this era of globalization. It is a Web3 shopping infrastructure pioneer with 3 million plus users across. So, Velo can benefit a lot from this collaboration. Obviously, look at this, 3 million plus users across 200 plus countries. 50 million plus monthly traffic, 169 million plus products listed, What Uquid offers for users: number one, for users, receive DeFi shopping stake or cashback, choose a variety of products with token payments. With more token payments, awesome. Velo can benefit over here. Check after the transaction, given that cleared liquidity provides a base on the Ethereum blockchain. Directly connect users' wallets to the Uquid shop, so users can easily connect their wallet. But obviously, let's hope that it is secure, because oftentimes a platform is not secure, in my opinion, you should put only the tokens that you want to buy something, and not the rest of your tokens, if even in the future, folks, when this big thing becomes a real deal in the future. For merchants, build a campaign, event, or AMA for attracting buyers, given an airdrop, reward, or pool price. Manage their business freedom without any serious checking or losses. So, through this partnership, Velo expands its real world use cases further, folks. More collaborations are always welcome, they are always good. So, users can shop from Uquid's vast catalog using Velo tokens now, folks, earning rewards through a shop to earn model that blends utility with incentives. So this is what we call Web3 Plus, and this directly supports Velo's mission to bridge traditional finance with blockchain. This is the innovation we're talking about, and this is the vision that we're talking about in the real world. So, folks, what do you guys think about Velo's vision in the real world? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by checking out Decent and their wallets, as well as discounts, as well as Patreon, by following the links in the description box below. Until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.